What's up, Elco family? Welcome back to another vlog, vlog 56. If you ain't seen the other ones, you know the deal. Check that shit out first. But yeah, this week I took the Elco down to US 131 Motorsports Park for the weekend and did some more racing and got about I think 5 passes in for the weekend. It was hot as hell. Had a great time though. Met some new people, seen some friends, and yeah, had a small little bracket racing challenge with our small group, and you know who won that shit.
Bruh, look at this dude.
So yeah, if you want to see how the Elco did, stay tuned for that and the rest of the video. After that, I was supposed to head over to Detroit to hit the Woodward Dream Cruise, but I was slacking, didn't make it out there. My bad again.
Gay!
Either way, I still went to another car show here in Ionia because the weather wasn't looking too good for me to drive all the way out to Detroit. So it is what it is. I was not about to risk it and be stuck on the side of the road where I didn't want to be if it rained. So yeah, went to another car show. Had a good time over there and just kind of chilled out for the weekend after the track. Not really any wrenching done this week. The Elco was pretty much ready to go other than a polish that I got done right before, you know, going to the track and everything. Made that look pretty good. But in the coming up weeks, I still have fuel lines I got to redo with this little AN fitting tool and some transmission lines and a few more things in store. Limon needs some serious parts added soon to make it stronger because whack, whack, whack.
Hair, whack. His gear, whack. His jewelry, whack. His foot stance, whack. The way that he talks, whack. The way that he doesn't even like to smile, whack. Me, I'm tight as fuck.
Can't even do a burnout with water on the ground. It's kind of sad. So yeah, there's a lot of things coming still. I will be down in Grand Rapids next weekend as we got the Metro Cruise down there. It's usually a good time. I think the first year I brought the Elco out, I broke down right in the mix of it. Second year was good, so let's hopefully we can go for the third year and have a good time. Probably just need to get it cleaned up after the track, a little dust off, and be good to go for that. But yeah, y'all probably don't want to hear me yapping no more. You want to see some racing, so let's get into the video. Just like every race week before this, slid over to James' house to get the rides right. He ended up giving me a new polisher since mine blew up, and I got the Elco right for the track day. He broke out the Chevelle for a little test cruise just to make sure it was ready for the track day as well, and then I ended up sliding back to the house.
There he is. You be with the boys and I'm gonna be with the dogs. Blood on the Travis and serve as a challenge coin. I'm the voice, I had to speak for the org. Past the preach.
Alright, boogity, let's go fucking racing, boys. I'm on my way down the US 131 right now. My exhaust leak got hella bad all of a sudden, so I probably won't sound good again. I can't wait to get some new pipes on this thing. If you got an exhaust company in mind or somebody, man, send them my way. I'm sick of this thing sounding like shit. I just have not got it right yet. But yeah, on the way, let's go have some fun. I'll see y'all when I get here.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Man, I got stuck in some bullshit because the on-ramp to the highway was closed, and I have been stuck in traffic for like 20 minutes, and the Elco's hot as hell and not very happy. So, not having a good time, but I'll make it there. It's just like 85. I don't know why I ever decided to take the highway. That's the second time I've done that, and it's the stupidest decision every time. It is a complete shit show on the way down here. I love my back roads. I got plenty of room now. I'm good. I'll be there in just a second. Alright, finally made it out here. The Elco got mad as hell sitting in line. She started smoking a bit. I think it was just excess shit burning off because she's so hot. But it's cool. She's ready to rip today. There's not a lot of people out here yet, so I'm hoping I can get quite a few runs in. I'm just a little worried about it being 82, 85-ish degrees, but I think we'll be all right. Even with all the traffic problems, made it down here super early, got set up, got my number, and was waiting to hit the track. About to go get lined up. I'm about to let James roll by and hop next to him. Woo! It is a hot one out here today, I cannot lie.
I'd be real happy if I run a 14.6 right away, but with it being so hot, we'll see what the hell happens. It is hotter than shit in here already.
Round one, fight!
Scoop in fourth gear before my red line, I hit 130.
Not bad, not bad. Could have been better. I definitely just got up out of there, but I didn't launch very smoothly. I kind of launched a little late, but it's cool. First run, get the jitters out and shit. Take the surge. Alright, what do we do? Left lane. Left lane, 91 miles an hour. I did a 14.8. That's not bad for the first run of the day. I'll take a 14.8.
Round two, fight!
I feel like, but we'll see what it says. 3,600 exactly. All right, what do we do? 14.79 at 91.97. Damn near the same thing. 0.68 reaction time, a little bit better than the last one, but still pretty garbage. 2.199 on the 60 foot. Cool, better. Not amazing, but better. I'm right on the money at 14.7.
Whoa, very nice.
Try the right lane this time and we'll see what happens.
Chicken nugget.
Round three, fight!
don't know if you guys can see out the window, but I'm gonna be racing the El Camino. It's fully stock and got a 305, so don't expect him to win, no offense to him, but we all started there, so I'm super excited to see how this goes.
Round 4. Fight!
Granted, we weren't side by side the whole time. It was still a very cool sight to see both El Caminos going down the track. It was a nice race. Hope he comes back out there with that 305 built up just a little bit more next time I see him.
I look good. I mean, really good.
Gotcha, bitch! Oh, you almost had it. You better be quicker than that.
Now I had a real good feeling I was going to lose to this Javelin, but from the beginning of the race, I really thought I was going to win it. But even losing at the quarter mile, look at that reaction time. That is a huge win for me. I think that's the coolest shit I've done so far at any of the track days. But with that wrapped up, that was the last run of the day, and it was time to pack up and start heading out of there. Super fire day at US 131. Ran some good times. The elco is dummy consistent. Like 14.6, 14.7, 14.8 every time. Every stinking time. Shit's cool. Yeah. I'll be back soon. I'm gonna take this long drive to the cribbo. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh yeah, wait. I got James following me, and I got my lady up front leading the way because our headlights are old and yeah. All right, see y'all in a minute. All right, little pit stop in Lowell. Elco's running beautiful. I ain't got no food at home, so gonna grab a little pizza and finish the cruise back to the house. James already split off and he's headed home, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Successful day at the track. Elco made it back home. Let's put the bitch away. Honestly, that is very, very sickening. I woke up at 6:30 so I could get this done in time. And yeah, she don't want to start now, so got her all cleaned up. She looks beautiful for the car show, but she won't be going. So we'll be hopping in the elco and going to Ionia here in a second. Man, I got this thing all shined up, ready to go, and this is all she's giving me right now. That does not look right.
You think?
A little sad there's no mower back there right now. So since I'm not going to Woodward because it looks like shit out here and I just don't trust getting stuck in the elco somewhere where I don't want to be all day, but yeah, I'm gonna go over to Ionia. Should be a good time over there. Good backup plan for not being able to make it to Woodward because of potential weather. But I'm sad as hell that the mower's not back here for another country show. Right back at James' house, he wanted to bring 3 cars over to the Ionia car show, so I was playing taxi as we got them all over to the event. This was probably one of the coolest custom builds at the show. I didn't record as much as I would have liked, but I had a good time nonetheless. So leaving the show, it just so happened to work out that I got to drive the fair lane back to the house. Well, of course, as soon as we leave, it starts fucking raining, and I have the top down. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.